I moved to Richmond. And then 2008 happened. I lost my part-time job, and my husband couldn't make his alimony payments, and so suddenly he couldn't make mortgage payments. So I went to my bank, and they claimed they were in distress too. What happened? Well, I found God in a hurry, and a friend of mine in the banking industry said, for that bailout package to go through. And he said that if the government bails out the banks, that they would come in and rescue us. And when it did go through, you saw that headline, Congress approved bailout package, I did thank God that I did. So I called Mr. Gray looking for money. True, they were receiving federal help, but they didn't receive and then I called my congressman and I got the same response. No bailout money for you. Only the big people get their help, only Wall Street. And then what? Well, I tried to move on. And I thought about it, they created this mess with their giant Ponzi scheme, and they get bailed out. They're supposed to use that bailout money to help people like us, but what did they do? They just sunk it deeper in their own coffers and started taking $1 million bonuses.
Harder than I thought.
instant shot. 30 days later, I was saving big on car insurance.